Hey guys, welcome back to AA4L. My name's Lena, and today I'm going to be showing you guys some squishies. I think I have shown you guys some squishies, but I'm going to do it in a clip. So now I'm going to show you my squishies right now. So here are all my squishies. I have an apple. I have what is this? It is an ice cream. Sorry guys if there's a lot of noise. I'm watching Disney Channel. I have a little donut.
Hey, at least we qualified for regionals.
And
we just need to do dance moves people have heard of.
There. Okay. And I have this other donut, but it's a bigger one. And the swirl. Okay, so now let's do, oh my gosh, let's do a clip of all of them. So what I have is this little miniature donut with some sparkles. And it's much different than the other big donut. This one's a lot tinier. It's cuter. Well, it's not cuter, but it's so cute. I mean, like, you can get this at a skating ring. So, yeah. Secondly, I have this apple. My friend gave me this. Her name is Tyra. Her channel will be linked in the description. She probably broke half of it, but I'm okay with it because at least I have some squishies. It's really cool. It's slow rising a little. I love it. Yeah. Moving on to the next. So I have this ice cream with some pink designs on it. It's kind of ripped because it came like that. Yeah, it's really squishy. It's like a cone. You can squish it when you're stressed and eat it. Yeah. Now let's move on to the next. Next I have this swirl that is a lot softer than all the other ones, I think. Yeah. It's really cool. I love it very much. It's kind of clicky. And comment down below if you guys like my nails. I add some of shimmer to it. It's a shimmer kind of gold. Here's my other one. It's a shimmery type. Yeah. And it's a lot slow rising. Yeah. Now let's move on to the next. Here's my other donut one. It has some fudge, a lot of sprinkles. It's bigger. It has a different back than this one. See? This one's smaller. It doesn't have fudge on it, but it's still adorable. I still like it. At least it's still a squishy. And I got three of these from Walmart. Got this from my friend, but I don't know where she got it. And I got this from Astro. Well, not Astro, but like a skating ring. Why am I moving this? So, yeah. So these are all my squishies that I got. Everyone is soft, cool, squishy. Yeah, I love them. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Bye guys. Thanks for liking this video. Please like, comment down below if you guys got any type of squishies. And yeah, comment down below the name. And bye. Love you.